What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to surround your base with a force field in Valheim. So this force field is created by the shield generator, and this is something you can build once you've killed the queen in the Mistlands. So the queen is the boss in the Mistlands, and once you've killed her, you get this majestic carapace or carapace, however you want to call it. It's like majestic version of this, and then you can basically upgrade your artisan table to level 2. And once you can upgrade your artisan table to level 2, you'll see that I can create a shield core. And shield core is crafted by black core, certling core, and ceramic plate. So just a quick thing, this shield core, once you have it, all you need is bronze and iron, and you can make that shield generator I ran by earlier. So this is pretty much the difficult thing to craft. So how you get this certling core, you have to explore the mines in the swamp where you get iron. So you'll probably already have these by the time you're done the Mistlands, and you also get them from the Ashlands too. And then these black cores, they're from the dungeons or the infested mines in the Mistlands. So when you're collecting those shards for the to unlock the Queen's Lair, you'll be finding these black cores in those dungeons as well. And then these ceramic plates, they're from Giants' Remains and structures in the Mistlands as well. So actually they're from black marble. And at the artisan table here, you'll see I'm able to craft these ceramic plates from that black marble. So let's do that. And then we can see we can make a shield core. I already have one, but let's just make another one for the sake of the video here. Definitely not my second attempt or anything, or third, or let's not talk about it. But yeah, so we see we have this shield generator here, and it's powered by bones. So it creates this huge dome force field around my base, and basically any projectile cannot pierce it. So like a spell, a crossbow, for example, let's test this live for you real quick. You see the shield just blocks that, which is pretty cool. And that helps with like invasions or whatever raids you want to call them. And players trying to snipe you. So let's place another one of these down now that I have the shield core. So let me put this down right here. And I have infinite build in this world, so that's why I don't need the iron and copper, but you would need that as well. I have the workbench in the area. So now that I've placed this shield core, you'll see that, or the shield generator, you'll see that nothing happens because I need to put bones in it for it to actually make the force field. So I'm going to put 10. And now it should make a shield that overlaps with my other one and make a bigger shield, which is cool. So now the domes have overlapped, so now it doesn't create like a line on the inside here. It just creates like a bigger shield area, which is nice. So you can combine the shield generators like that too and make a bigger force field. It's not just a dome. You're not just restricted to that. You can put a few of them down and make it cover the whole size of your base. That's pretty much it, guys. That is the shield generator. You need bones. You can also use charred bones, which you get from the Ashlands, which is pretty much when you're going to be using this. Here are the charred bones. So that is pretty much when you're going to be getting this after you've killed the boss in the Mistlands. You're pretty much onto the Ashlands next, and that is when you can start putting these shield generators down for force fields. So that is enough rambling, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, drop any questions you got in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.